So we just did the video on driving while trying to update your car yesterday. Didn't work. But I got pushed a new update, didn't call Tesla or anything. So we're going to go ahead and start this, and then as soon as the screen goes black, I'm going to see if I can drive. Okay, screen is black.
Just start driving. Don't touch the screen. Just
We're
don't
gonna
touch the
try
screen.
driving.
Just push this. Go to drive. There you go. Just start driving.
Creep's not on.
Well, just start driving. It's fine. So it is possible.
We have no regenerative braking either.
And no creep.
No regen, no creep.
Turn signals should be working. Just no sound. You want me to get out and look at it really quick?
Yeah, get out and look and make sure turn signals are working.
Do the right one.
I am.
Where are the kids? Let me see just a second. Yep, it's working.
Okay.
It's just you have that tint on there. I couldn't see it.
Okay, so turn signals are in fact working.
Just no sound.
Just no sound. Screen's back.
It was off for about 7 minutes. Oh, I need to switch my phone. Oh, there we go. Update completed.
Oh, it's checking the status.
Oh, there we go. See the speed.
So hopefully it checks out okay.
Yeah, I'm checking the app. Hasn't connected to it yet on the phone. Did you get regen back? Oh look.
Okay,
There's a
so there we go.
It works.
We already had linking, we
Yeah.
already had chess.
I don't think there's really anything new for you in
Yeah.
this update. It was more of a bug fix for the Model S.
Okay, so there's the follow-up. It actually worked. No issues besides not knowing any idea what our speed was.
Yes.
No way to check.
We could have used like GPS on our
Well,
phone.
yeah, but no way to
nothing
check with Tesla-related items.
from the car. Correct. 2019.28.3.1 as predicted.
Okay, so we just got back, and as you saw, we actually did an update while driving.
It does work.
It does work. Not sure why it didn't work out yesterday. I'm not sure on that.
It's probably just different phases of the update,
Yeah.
and it probably saw we were driving, and it just never got to the next step.
Yeah.
Today it did.
Yeah, so the only difference we did today over yesterday is we didn't start driving until the screen went black. We did hear a lot of like different noises, the fans turned off, etc. while sitting in the car. But as soon as that screen went black, we put it in drive and went. Only thing though is we didn't have creep, we didn't have any regen, so stuff like that. So
no screen, couldn't tell
yeah.
the speed. There was no sound, so
Yeah.
you couldn't hear the turn signals. But we knew they were operating.
But the good news is, in every case, we were able to drive it, no matter where the update was in its process. So in case of emergency, you can drive your car while it is going on an update. It might not succeed, but you can at least get to where you're going in case of an emergency. That is the key takeaway here. But yeah, that's basically it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Just want to do a quick update. As always, huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model SX or Model 3, feel free to check out their website, and using code Tesla Inventory, all one word, will get you 15% off your first order. My two must-haves for Model 3 are going to be that center console wrap, because I'm not a huge fan of that black piano that Tesla has put in there, as well as the matte anti-fingerprint, anti-glare screen protector. They actually make one for Model S and X too, so we actually have those in all our cars. But that's pretty much it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thumbs up if you did. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other ones. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.